Hello artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing a pilgrim. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, little artists, let's start this picture of a little boy pilgrim. And the first thing I want to do here on the top of the paper, we're going to draw a line. And this line is going like this. It's a long line. And this is going to be the base of the hat. And underneath this line, we're going to do a big U shape. And I'm going to go slow, pressing the marker against the paper or your pencil. And this helps me going a little bit more straight. So I'm just gonna go around like this. Okay, and this is gonna be the face. Now let's do the face, and we're gonna do the nose with a backwards letter C. And next to this nose, I'm gonna do two oval shapes for the eyes, and I'm color this with black. And underneath this, we're gonna put a big smile for this pilgrim boy. Now we're gonna mark where the hair goes, and I'm just gonna go and do a diagonal line on each side, and we can do some wavy hair here sticking out of his hat. Next, I'm gonna mark the ears, and I'm just gonna do two letter C shapes right here, and we're gonna put a line inside for the ears. And now we're gonna finish the hat. So for the hat, I'm going to extend the lines a little bit passing the ear. So I'm going to pass the ear, and inside I'm going to pass the ear. And now I'm going to do a thin rectangle shape, okay? That is going to go all the way up here, just like this. Okay, so this is a big hat. Now we're going to do the top part, and it's also going to be big. So I'm going to start here from where the line of the head finished. And I'm gonna go up, and in the other side the same thing. I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna join the top part with a line. Okay, now let's do the medium part. Has like a belt, and I'm gonna start with a square shape. So on the center of my picture, I'm gonna do a square, and I'm gonna repeat that shape going around. Okay, now from the corners, we're gonna do lines that connect with the hat, just like this. And I'm gonna do one more right here. Okay, now that we have the head part, now let's move to the body. And the first thing we're gonna do is kind of like the color that comes out of his suit. It's a big color, so I'm gonna start here in the center. I'm gonna do two diagonal lines, one to the left, one to the right. I want to do one more here that goes out a little, and the same here. And now we're going to join them with a curved line in each side. Now let's trace a line that is going to pass these corners we did here. So I'm going to go in the center, and I'm going down, and I want to stop right there. And here we're going to do, and on the sides, we're going to do kind of like in the center of this collar, we're going to do one that goes down, and in the center of this one, and in the center of this one, I do one that goes down, and we can join them on the bottom with a curved line. Now here where you stop, we're going to do the belt, and we're going to copy kind of like the same idea that we did on the top. I'm starting with a square. I'm doing another square inside, and the lines they go in each side, just like this. Okay, and now we can imagine this line pass in behind and goes down. For his arms, we're gonna do it super simple. We're just gonna go in from the collar. I'm gonna go into a curve that connects with the body, and the same thing here. Okay, it's like his arms are on the back. Now we're gonna do the legs, and I'm gonna go in a little, and I'm gonna do a line. Then here in the center, we can do another one, and another one. And I'm leaving a little bit of a space on the corners. Now let's do the shoes, and for the shoes I'm just gonna go and do an upside down letter U in each of these legs, okay, and I'm gonna connect them on the bottom with a curved line. And if your lines don't touch like mine, you just can like extend them. Now let's do the bottom of the shoe. We're gonna kind of like follow the same shape with a rectangle shape down here. And on his shoes, we're gonna do another square just like we did here. So I'm doing here on the top a square and a small one inside. Let's repeat that right here. And the very last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mark kind of like with the he has like a long socks, he's wearing long socks, and we're gonna just mark curve and curve. And there, that's it. We finished this little pilgrim boy that I hope it was easy for you to follow with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out now that I put all the colors. I think he looks super cute. You can change some of these colors if you want to. You can also change the color of the skin or the color of the hair. And at the end, I went with a color pencil, a black color pencil, and I colored just super soft here just to give it this great gradient look. And with a pink color pencil, I did this kind of like blush on his cheeks. You can totally skip that if you want to, but here is my pilgrim boy, and I hope you liked this lesson and it was easy for you to follow with me. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.